Discover a rare opportunity at Lakestone Cove, an exclusive community of just 15 custom home sites nestled along the scenic Catawba River. This exclusive community offers spacious home sites with 8 premium waterfront properties and 7 beautifully wooded inland lots, each providing privacy and room to create your dream home. Nature surrounds you here with large wooded common areas, perfect for peaceful walks or simply enjoying the serene riverside setting. You're never far from modern conveniences, as Lakestone Cove sits just 6 miles to Charlotte Douglas International Airport and 12 miles to uptown Charlotte's vibrant energy. The charming, historic downtown Belmont is so close by, offering fantastic local restaurants and entertainment. You'll also enjoy easy access to shopping and everyday amenities. At Lakestone Cove, experience the perfect balance between tranquil riverfront living and all the advantages of Charlotte's thriving metropolitan area just minutes away. Your private retreat awaits at Lakestone Cove, where luxury meets nature in one of the region's most desirable locations.